Hey guys, it's Cassandra Marie. Welcome to Glamour Gains, a channel dedicated to helping you achieve all things glamour and all things gains. Today's video, as you can see, is going to be a Q&A and for you to see the girl behind the channel. Question number 1. Are you mixed? Yes, I am mixed. I am multiracial. Both of my parents are mixed. Next question was, where are you thinking of sending your kids for school? So my kids right now are very young. My daughter, her name is Kaylani. She's 1 year old. My son, his name is Devin Josiah. We call him Jojo for short. We use his middle name, Josiah. But Jojo will be starting school next year. I really want him to go to a private school. I just feel like the education there is a lot better. I just want better for him and I want better for my daughter. So I want to send them both to private schools. Next question is, where do you see yourself at 35? So at 35, I see myself being a full-time YouTube guru. I see myself having my bachelor's degree in nursing, so a BSN. Currently, I am in school for my associates in registered nursing right now. I would like to be able to quit my day job, like my regular job, and just be a full-time influencer and make my income solely off of YouTube and be able to make my own schedule, be able to spend more time with my kids. And in the long run, I would like to be a philanthropist. I would like to give back. I would like to start an organization or a college fund or a college scholarship. Once I get to that level that I want to get to, I really want to give back. I think it's very important to give back once you do get a certain level of success. I also see myself in my Porsche Cayenne, all white Porsche Cayenne truck with the peanut butter interior. I see myself living in Arizona. I see myself happily married. Just see myself like having this wonderful life and being very happy, having my kids be very well rounded. I just want my kids to be educated. I want them to be smart. I want them to be athletic. I want them to be polite. I want them to have manners. I want them to care for people and be kind. And if my kids are these really well-rounded individuals, I feel like I will have done my job as a person in life and as a parent. So that's where I see myself at 35. Next question was, what kind of house do you want for your family? I really would love to have a beautiful home in Calabasas, California. As you know, Drake and the Kardashians and Jeffree Star live in Calabasas, and that's like my dream place to live. This nice, like, it doesn't even have to be a mansion, but I just want it to be big enough for my kids. I want it to be big enough for me, big enough for my family. I want my own recording studio in there. I want my own makeup room. I want a customized closet. Really want like wraparound stairs like Kris Jenner. Like if you see her house, like how her stairs like wraparound stairs, I really want that. I want enough space for my cars. So I really just want 2 cars. I want a Porsche truck and I want a G-Wagon. So those 2, just enough space for the cars, that's fine with me. If I live this lifestyle that I want to live, just enough safety for my kids to grow up in a safe community or a safe environment where they don't have to be afraid or anything like that. Fingers crossed one day that that vision will come true. 3 places that I want to visit. I know Punta Cana is one of them. I want to go to Egypt. I want to see the Great Pyramids. I want to go to Venice, Italy. I want to ride a gondola in a canal. I want to visit Juliet's house in Verona, Italy. I think that would be so beautiful. And to write a letter on Juliet's wall in Verona, Italy. I am such a sucker for romance and I'm such a sucker for Romeo and Juliet, and honestly William Shakespeare and I actually share the same birthday, April 23rd, if you didn't know that. I want to go to the Love Lock Bridge in Paris. Just be so beautiful and so fulfilling and so breathtaking and just an amazing experience. So I really want to do that. So Punta Cana, Paris, just Italy in general, a couple places in Italy, and Egypt. That's where I want to go. So somebody asked me, what is your dream car? I think I already said this, but I will say it again. My dream car is a Porsche Cayenne truck. I honestly believe that it's gonna happen. It's just a matter of time and I will manifest it. It will happen. I will put in the hard work. I will put in the actions to get there and I will have it. Manifesting that shit. And if you notice, everything that I talk about is so detailed because I've literally envisioned this for so long and I've thought it out in my mind, and every single detail and every single like everything is so specific in my mind that I've already seen it here, and I know that since I've already seen it here, it's gonna manifest here. Like, it's gonna manifest around me, and like, it's just a matter of time. And if I can manifest it, you can manifest it too. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me and watch this Q&A, and remember to fly. First, love yourself.
Next year, Santa, tell me